Hey guys, welcome to Outdoor Gear Geeks review of a little cook system that I put together. This is by no means the end-all say-all. This is just what I use and I think it's cool, and I think we're going to share it with you here. So what I have is the 900 milliliter Toaks titanium pot. I like it because it is a little bit wider, so it feels a little bit more stable on my stove. Toaks makes great titanium products, super lightweight, very affordable compared to a lot of the other ones. So I went with Toaks. Has a lid with some ventilation in there. You could use it kind of to strain water if you're making pasta or something like that, but generally it's just to kind of let you know, I think, when the water is boiling and it doesn't blow the lid off your pot. Inside, I have a few things, but not very many. I have one of these little BRS stoves that you can buy off Amazon. They're about 16 bucks. I mentioned them in my Father's Day gift guide for gifts under $25. They are very small and they weigh very little, which is good. For backpacking on budget, I would highly recommend these. They are great. They are cheap, and if you break one, you really didn't lose too much. A lot of thru hikers use these for an entire thru hike and nothing really happens to them. So that in and of itself says a lot about this little guy. I would buy it. Also, I pack a little microfiber cloth to help clean, dry. It's very lightweight. I just cut a normal microfiber cloth in half. I use that. I have a little 100-gram fuel canister. I buy them at Sierra Trading Post because they're cheaper than anywhere else. This is the MSR version. I think they are the best for what I have tested them with in terms of cold and altitude and things like that. Again, inside, if you can see, I have a big mini lighter. They're great. They're really the only lighter I would ever bring with me. I like to keep one in there. It's always there. Easy to light the stove. And also the Sea to Summit collapsible X-Mug. It's just nice to have something separate to drink out of besides your water bottle all the time if you want to have coffee or tea or anything like that. So basically, that's it. A few items here. This is basically what I could use to do everything. I also use my Morsel Spork, which I don't have with me because I'm not making any food. You guys know I love the Morsel Spork because it has a spatula in it. You can scrape out the edges of the pot, which helps with cleanup, and really just getting all the calories that you need. So in a nutshell, this is my cook kit for the summer. It's a little chilly out here, so it doesn't look like summer, but yeah, that's what I'm going with. If you guys have any questions, just leave a comment below. I'll get back to you for sure. If you're viewing this on Instagram, leave a comment. I'll get back to you. If you're viewing it on YouTube, I'll just get back to you. So that's it. Toaks titanium there. Boom, back in. Lighter, fuel. Boom, wrap this up. Stove, bag, goes right in there. Lid, rubber band to hold it all in. So guys, if you like what you saw today, all the links will be below. You can check them out on Amazon. They are affiliate links, and by shopping through those links, you help support Outdoor Gear Geeks and all the reviews we do at no additional cost to you. So leave a message, like, comment, do the thing, and we'll see you on the next one. And that's it.